Hey everyone, Joe Caltabiano here for Leathercraft, and we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons why Leathercraft is a leader in the automotive upholstery industry. Reason number one, we use top quality materials. So when we get into our materials, all of our materials are top quality. We don't, shave the expense at the risk of durability. None of our leathers or vinyls or suedes or anything is over processed, over tumbled, where they weaken. They're durable, right? That's why we back our products with a good warranty. We have everything from leather to suede. And of course, we have vinyl derivatives because anyone in the seating industry knows that only certain sections of the seat are actually true leather, where the rest is vinyl. So obviously, we match color and grain on both our vinyls and leather. We even have what we call dimension. Dimension is offered in 3 colors. It's always a black surface. That's the main color, but it can have an interior of either gray, red, or green. So what's nice about this is, let's just say the center section of the seat, you can have a perforated pattern with with a nice 3D green effect to it, or a red effect or a gray effect. Gives it a little more depth to the seating, but all top quality materials. Reason number two, factory grade textures. In all of our products, we want to make sure that we're matching what would have been the OEM factory seating, right? And texture comes into play. No one wants to get a leather seating kit aftermarket that doesn't represent what they would have bought if they spent the extra money to get to the trim level that had an OEM leather in the beginning. So, whether it's suede, whether it's leather, uh, preparation in our seating, right? We take a lot of pride in making sure that we're matching exactly what the factory had to offer in the begin with. Reason number three, color matching. So one of the things in this industry that's very important is color matching, right? So as you can see in my hand here, this is a swatch ring that we offer to all of our customers. It allows them to go out in the field, or if you're doing car dealer work, you can leave one with the car dealer so they can go through this and they can see exactly what's going to match up to the vehicle. Most of our colors, especially in the blacks and the beiges and the grays, are going to be, dead on factory matches. Everything is right on the swatch itself, easily identifiable as far as the name and the number for it. So when you're ordering it, you order properly. And you can see here, we run the spectrum of all different colors, even getting into some funky colors like reds and greens. So those are more for our custom applications, but material colors, and then even stuff like perforation, right? Having the ability to factory match if a color or material is perforated in that OEM vehicle, that we can match that as well. Reason number four, we provide the best fitment. We pride ourselves with having the best fitment of our seating kits. Why is that important, right? No one wants to have extended labor, taking a lot of time, uh, not just to remove the cloth, but to reinstall a leather kit. So we design our kits, they easily slip onto the cushions of a factory seat. Easy to install, and you'll get a perfect fitment every time. No seam lines are going to be off. A lot of post-process massaging, steaming, heat treatments to take ripples out. Those are all things that are part of leather seating, but we minimize that by making sure that it's a smoother process. Again, better install, less post-processing, happy customer at the end, just like it rolled off a showroom floor. Reason number five, our warranty. We back all of our seating kits with a 5-year warranty. That's how important it is for us to make sure we maintain exceptional quality levels in every leather seating kit that's distributed into the marketplace. And those are the main 5 reasons why Leathercraft is a step apart from anyone else in the seating industry. Visit us at leathercraft.pro. Thank you.